Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of party decorations with a focus on one of the most unique and exciting options out there: the best golf balloon arch available in the market. If you're planning a birthday bash, sports-themed event, or just love a good round of golf, this is the perfect addition to take your party to the next level.
This golf balloon garland arch kit from ROYASOD is a hole-in-one when it comes to party decor. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about what you get in this kit. It's a complete package designed to make decorating a breeze. With 75 pieces in total, including 70 latex balloons in 5 vibrant colors, 5 foil balloons, and 3 balloon arch accessories, you'll have everything you need to create a stunning golf-themed display. Now, let's talk about ease of assembly.
One of the best features of this kit is how simple it is to put together. Whether you're a party planning pro or a novice decorator, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to create a balloon arch that looks like it was done by a professional.
Just follow the included instructions, and you'll have your party decor ready in no time. What I love most about these balloons is their versatility. While they're perfect for golf-themed events like birthdays or sports parties, they can also be used for a variety of other occasions. From baby showers to graduations, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about quality. These balloons are made of high-quality latex, ensuring they'll last throughout your entire event without losing their vibrant colors or popping unexpectedly. Plus, they've been rigorously tested to meet safety standards, so you can have peace of mind knowing they're safe for everyone to enjoy. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking to add a touch of fun and excitement to your next celebration, look no further than the best golf balloon arch available in the market. With its easy assembly, versatility, and top-notch quality, it's sure to be a hit with partygoers of all ages. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.